So there are a lot of e-commerce websites on the internet, but a few of them do it well. And I think Yepoda is one of the websites or one of the brands that actually does e-commerce really well from, my experience, but also from what I've learned during my master's and the best practices for, e-commerce websites. They're applying, 99% of them, which is incredible to see. But I just want to highlight a few things that you can also learn from for your website of what they're doing that is really good, in my opinion. The first point I would like to highlight is that they add a lot of social proof throughout the website, which is extremely important, and they're doing it really well. So even starting here, they are mentioning a few like logos of brands they collaborate with that featured them. And then they use language like our most loved products, screaming people do love their products and they use them. There are people buying them. Underneath that, you can see the reviews. There are not only the scores, but also how many people actually bought the products, which is also amazing. Then further down, they have these, like a quote element, and then some logos of other websites where you can find some reviews about them, which I think is amazing as well. And also I think it also counts as social proof a little bit, some UGC elements and also video elements of, from like their brand, but also showing, real people, real skin, and how they're using the products, which is amazing, I think. And you can rarely see something like this even on skincare websites, skincare product websites. Yeah, also what I really love is that they highlight their values from the start. So this is the homepage, and you can see their values are just underneath the fold. Say that they are vegan, they're sustainable, they're natural, they're made in Korea, they are mindfully produced, and use active ingredients, which are all things, people want to have, I think, in a skincare brand in 2024. Especially Gen Z, I think, looks out for that when buying skincare and makeup. So I think that's amazing that they highlight that. They have another section here where they say they are, PETA certified and donate to, 1% to environmental projects. Another great initiative. And I think for any successful brand, it's important to highlight your values in our modern times. So yeah, amazing job there, I think. Their website is very on brand, but also I really love the product pages. So they have a lot of images here, obviously here, with some people using the product, about the ingredients, talking about the ingredients. You can also buy refills instead of full-size products, which is amazing. They give you the price for 100 milliliter, which I also don't think a lot of websites do. They promise 30-day money-back guarantee, which nudges you to buy and to try. And they even mention the shipping time, but also, this product page is just amazing. There are just some proof again that the products actually work, which is important. Like, what would a user like me want to see? Something like this. That the product, I should try it because it works, and they tested it. This is amazing. The different ingredients that they use, they also highlight and explain them, which is amazing as well. Some popular questions, FAQ section, always good to see, and also some, cross-selling happening here with you may also like products. You can also see the reviews below as well. So I think they're doing an amazing job, don't you think? They also on their homepage have some further nudges to, urge you to buy. For example, here some sales. This is a sale on the kit. They have different CTAs. They have a lot of CTAs. Learn more, shop now, discover now, create a set, read more. And what you can definitely learn from them is including CTAs is improving the user experience. I think we know that, but I think a lot of websites still don't utilize as many calls to action and social proof elements as they do. Another last thing I want to highlight is that they are quite innovative. So I think they have the skin analyzer where you can get your skin analyzed basically with AI, and that's kind of innovative. I mean, AI is all the craze right now, so utilizing that for their brand is very smart. And then I still haven't done it, but I think if I do it, it will recommend me the products that will help my skin, that I can buy from them. So I think that's an amazing tool to integrate into your website if you have, an e-commerce platform or like a skincare brand or anything similar to that. But yeah, I hope this helped, and let me know what you think about their website. If you take a look, what were the things that stood out to you, and what would you improve if you would improve something? Yeah, we'd love to hear your thoughts, and bye bye.